Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create bold wooden texture in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a horizontal shape, fill color R196, G154, B108. Go to Object menu and Lock and Selection Ctrl 2. Brush stroke color R117, G76, B41. Go to Index menu and Brush Libraries and Artistic Chalk Charcoal Pencil. Draw horizontal multiple times on artboard. Draw randomly. Select all brush strokes and go to Transparency panel and apply Multiply. Finally, your dark wooden texture background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create vector wooden texture in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.